Congratulations. Congratulations.
Thank you. Welcome to the ceremony of Refugees as Refugees. Our two distinguished guests today who will be receiving a recognition award for being themselves rebuilders of their own countries of origin.
When I think of my life, I have never experienced anything like you have experienced, or anything like Dr. Teami has experienced, or any of you, in fact.
Change is a very, very big word, and it is usually started with the first step, and it is, as Peter said, one thing you start from you as a person, and then you build it up.
Before the Gaddafi departure, we started. There's a group of Libyan doctors, there is a Libyan expat here living in UK, in America, and everywhere. They started this process and they try to go back and deliver, share their knowledge and skill.
Young mother, this is wonderful to have that next generation.
Shukri Aden. I was born just before the Civil War, and all I could hear was like a gunshot and everything else. I still love my country, and I'm very hopeful that I can make a big difference both here and back home. If I can't make a positive change here, then there's no way I can make a positive change where I originally from.
So my contribution to education is not only for my country, Eritrea, country of origin, but also for my second home, which is Britain. My father was uneducated, but he was also a self-taught man. And he said, I want you to have a better life than myself. Go, and education is the route.
I'm glad to be here today to conclude our training, and I'm glad to have more knowledge and tools to go on to do some more.
We can create, a dialogue facilitation between the parent and the children, in the way that the children and the parent, they are growing apart.
Abade Ahmed.
I gained a lot of knowledge through this course. I also learned about the citizenship. Spiritual leaders gain a trust of the community or trust of the family. I learned a skill that I can use in the future within my community.
And then after that you think, you said, shall I be back? Shall I go back to my roots and do it? And that's my passion all the time. And I think passion to going back and to deliver, it is very, very important.
What this program does is to help us get slightly much more and better equipped into how best to be able to move these things forward. The change that we're attempting becomes a reality.
Is the emphasis a restoration? That look, this is where you were, this is what was going on, and this is where things went wrong.
And contribution is something that needs to be evaluated.
Just now, I've just realized that the journey started in 1990 when I left Uganda. From what I've just learned now, still have that courage, that heart to continue.
I came to the UK because I was born British. Whatever you're doing to renovate the place, it's got to start by addressing those issues first, and so that you can build the trust in the people. That's why I ended up here looking for where I could find answers and solutions.
The story for myself, my generation, and a lot of generations it could be slightly different. And rebuilding means there is something that has already been broken, that has already been destroyed, demolished. Every aspect, because people will be talking about certain things that I might not be aware of, probably because of my age, and there are people who had been, through the so many experiences.
Wouldn't create the space for peace.
I would like to change the Somalia in the near future. known as forest banana. It's used as food.
I've learned so much that I've started to apply some of these principles
to make a positive change.
Then I think it's right and proper that we should recognise today actually the very positive contributions that refugees can make, whether it's in the United Kingdom or often having had time when they have had safety and sanctuary here, often returning to their countries of origin and achieving greatness there in terms of helping their own countries rebuild after conflict.